the rain, and then we have to salvage there for the water. Yeah. And I was just going to have to salvage there.
A lot of changes from the last time we're here, and we're happy. And like my chairman said, we are going to report back to our major stakeholders, the council, the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation, as well as the other stakeholders in the legal profession. We thank His Excellency for this wonderful job, as well as the speed with which he's taking this job.
At the end of the conference of Nigerian Bar Association being hosted at Port Harcourt, we had the privilege of visiting the site of the Graham Douglas campus of Nigerian Law School being constructed by the government of Rivers State at no expense to the federal government, to the Council of Legal Education. We have taught the academic part of that project at Rumwe okay. And then we are here now in front of Hotel Presidential for the staff quarters. And we are impressed with the speed of work going on, the quality of work going on. And hopefully, the way things are going here, it will seem that the project will even be delivered ahead of the scheduled time. And we cannot thank His Excellency enough for the attention he has paid to this project in fulfilling his promise to Council of Legal Education, Nigerian Law School, and the legal profession that he will deliver this project in less than 8 months of commencement of work. And we are happy that he's keeping to that promise and that work is going on in earnest. And we shall report to our council and to the other stakeholders, the Attorney General of the Federation, that work is going on schedule. And we shall be getting prepared for the commissioning at the appointed date, and also start preparation for students that will be posted here in the next academic session, maybe in 2020, end of 2021. So we thank God for what He has done to the legal profession by the singular effort of His Excellency. Mind you that this is not the only project He's doing for the Council and for Nigerian Law School.
Well, we have never said something and do a different thing. We did promise the Council of Education that if they approve the establishment of law school in Port Harcourt, that we are going to provide the best. And that is why from time to time the chairman and the DG come around to see how we're enabled to implement or carry out the projects. From the school down to where the lecturers will be living, you can see the enormous work that's going on. And I can assure you we are going to complete it on schedule, or even before that time. Again, when you say what in front of, if no responsible government will not want facilities or institutions to be cited in their state, because the establishment of this branch of the law school in Port Harcourt, of course, will enhance the economic growth of our state. And so every government would want our state to grow. So we're happy that this campus has been established, and I'm sure the council will be under pressure of the students that will come to Port Harcourt, Nigerian Douglas campus of Nigerian Law School. I'm sure they will be under tremendous Even lecturers will put pressure on them that they want to go to Port Harcourt and lecture. But for whatever it is our own contribution to the growth of legal education. And as a lawyer, it will not be fair that as a governor, what is my contribution to the growth of legal education? So as part of our own contribution is to see that, and the training of our lawyers is to see that the best of the quality is given to them by providing the best of the facilities that they require. So I'm very happy, if not because of the rain, it was very serious this year, but now the rains are coming down now. I believe by December, anybody who comes here will see a different thing. The started roofing in the main campus. I believe by December, anybody who goes there will see that the environment has changed dramatically. So one is quite impressed.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.